some wishes out of airplane.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now.
The following is a civil danger warning issued by the United States government. Reports of widespread incidents involving alleged terrorists have been reported in 6 different states. These states are California, Missouri, New York, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, and Wyoming. These incidents include attacks against civilians and have resulted in many injuries as well as fatalities. It is the belief of the U.S. Department of Homeland Security that these attacks could be linked with ISIS. If you are living within these states, you are advised to take the following action: seek shelter in place and do not leave your shelter until you are told it is safe. You may also evacuate to a neighboring state. No further information on these attacks is available at this time. You are urged to stay tuned to this station, as an update will eventually be needed. Normal programming may now resume.
We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency.
This is an emergency action notification. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Over the past 17 hours, the reported attacks in California, Missouri, New York, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, and Wyoming have been found to be linked with ISIS. In addition, more states have experienced these attacks, including Arizona, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Iowa, Louisiana, Minnesota, New Hampshire, North Carolina, Oregon, South Dakota, and Texas. These attacks by ISIS terrorists altogether have resulted in thousands of civilian deaths and counting. To protect your life, you are urged to shelter in your home now. It is too late to evacuate from your current location. You must stay where you are right now, lock all doors and windows, turn off all ventilation, and have a battery-powered radio with you to receive updates on this situation. Do not allow anyone from outside into your home. If someone breaks into your home, you may protect yourself by all means necessary, including deadly force. President Obama has issued martial law and will be speaking on all radio stations on behalf of the U.S. Department of Homeland Security shortly. All television stations may or may not cease transmission indefinitely.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the United States government to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most station will remain on the air to provide